This is Bid Types by Caden Benedict. First, we'll be taking a look at lump sum payment. A lump sum contract is one where the contractor is bidding on the total project versus submitting a bid on individual items. This contract is best used in a situation where drawings are complete and the job is relatively straightforward. It is also best used with a site that will experience minimal changes throughout the project duration. This hard bid puts all the risk on the contractor. With this inherent risk comes a chance for a reward. If the contractor is able to perform all the contracted work, then they will be the ones that will be keeping the difference. Next, we'll be taking a look at unit price contracts. Unit price. Unit price contracts are detailed by pricing out units instead of pricing out the job in its entirety. This will most commonly be used in the heavy civil field, as the work can easily be sectioned off into these units. Unit price is most easily used when the price is very dependent on the materials, making more sense to break it off into units. These unit prices are also able to factor in labor, material, and overhead costs, along with things like profit, taxes, and inspection costs. Next, we'll be taking a look at guaranteed maximum price. Guaranteed maximum price contract is one where an owner sets a cap or a maximum price that the project is not to exceed. In these contracts, the owner will be avoiding most of the risk as they are the ones setting this price. Any dollar amount that exceeds the GMP will be picked up by the contractor. Unlike the lump sum, the GMP is just the maximum that the owner provides, so any money left over will oftentimes be split in some way between the owner and the contractor, depending on what's specified in the contract. Then lastly, we have cost plus contracts. Cost plus is a contract that actually stands to benefit the contractor more than the owner. With this contract, the owner and the contractor agree on a fixed price, with the plus being any construction-related expenses that the owner will pick up. Normally, the profit the contractor stands to make is already fixed into the contract, so ultimately there's no benefit in the contractor to cut corners. The benefit is the construction-related expenses the contractor doesn't have to worry about. Thank you.